my name is Maggie and I'm a product marketer at Team-GPT. Today I'm going to show you how to manage your seats inside the platform. Before I begin, let me just clarify that this billing setup will only work for users paying through Paddle. If you're not paying through Paddle or you're on an LTD, you need to reach out to our team to add more seats. First thing you need to do is head over to Settings and Billing. Here you can see all of your billing information, how much you're paying, next billing date, all the seats available, billing details, payment method, and transaction history. If you want to upgrade seats, click on this button over here, Manage Seats. Inside this modal that pops up, you can see the number of the seats you already have. In our case, 5. If you want to add more seats, enter the number of seats you would like to upgrade your workspace to. In my case, I'd like my workspace to have a total of 7 seats. I'm going to confirm the changes. You can see that the number of seats is increased, as well as the amount being charged. If I refresh this page, I should also see the invoice pop up for the new purchase, which you can download. Same goes with downgrading. I click on Manage Seats, and I enter the number of seats I want to downgrade my workspace to. As you can see, the number of seats is 5 now. Please note that you won't be immediately refunded if you downgrade your seats. These changes will be applied in your next invoice. Also, please once again note that this billing system works only with users paying through Paddle. If you're not paying through Paddle or you're on an LTD, you'll see a message showing that you have reached the member limit and will need to reach out to our team in order to add more seats. Thank you for watching.